If someone just learned how to do extensions from watching a YouTube video or learned how to do it from a friend, they're most likely not going to be giving positive and consistent results. Just taking a one-day course simply isn't even enough anymore. It's about daily repetition, about the work that you're doing behind the scenes. It's the work that you're doing on your mannequins and on your models. That is what creates a healthy install. We love NBR because of their intense training and their years and years of repetition. Training and commitment is what creates healthy results. Factor number 2, it's important to find an artist who values integrity. For example, say you have extensions in and you're just feeling a little bit uncomfortable and you tell your artist. The artist has 2 options. Option number 1, fix the problem and use it as a learning lesson. Or option number 2, ignore the problem and blame the guest. I don't know about you, but I'd rather do business with someone who wants to help me. At Texture+Sage, one of our core values is integrity, and it's something that we try to infuse in every aspect of what we do. Let's just face it, hand-tied extensions are an investment. At Texture+Sage, it's not something we take lightly. If you are looking for next level confidence with hair extensions, you've come to the right place. Click the link and get started. We can't wait to meet you.